fan of matte finish. So we have a Creta to show with the matte PPF that we've done recently. So this car was earlier covered with a gloss PPF because the customer is a fan of paint protection films. Gloss was not something which was actually appealing him. I think for 1 year he carried out with the gloss PPF, but now he wanted something which can change the entire look of his car, so he's gone for the matte PPF. So we'll show you the closer shots of how is it looking now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
सेल्फ हीलिंग ग्लॉस PPF में आप देखते हैं कि स्क्रैचेस आते हैं, बट एज सून एज यू पार्क योर कार इन द सन और ज़रा सा भी हीट से वो एक्सपोज होता है, सो स्क्रैचेस आपके निकल जाते हैं, उसमें से ऑटो हील हो जाते हैं. बट जितने भी आपके नॉर्मल स्क्रैचेस हैं जो ग्लॉस PPF में आते हैं वो मैट PPF के ऊपर नहीं आते हैं. So if you want a long-term solution for your vehicle, then you must go for the paint protection films and you have gloss or a matte finish to choose from.